Hi friends, today I want to share with you this product. These are organizers for your blankets. Came in this bag and came 3 of them, as you can see. These are 4 of them. Excellent. Are gray. The size is perfect for your blankets. And it's so easy to use and to arm. Let me show you. Have this form. So, in this part, have Velcro and have a zipper too here. So you can close it in all these ways. This is a zipper. And as you can see, so easy to use and so smooth, so smooth. So once you close your organizer with a zipper, you can put your blankets inside, or you can put first the blankets and after close the zipper, but whatever you want. So you put your blankets inside. And this is a great way to have a good storage of your blankets with excellent organization. Look, have the size perfect for your blankets. And then you just close here with these Velcros and ready. So as you can see, looks clean, looks perfect. And you can put it inside of your closet. Have this transparent part so you can see what blanket is inside, and this label too, so you can classify all the blankets that you put inside of your organizer. And now you just open your closet, and now when you finish to put your blankets inside of your organizer, you just put it inside of your closet. And as you can see, it looks perfect. It's easy to find and to know what is inside. So I highly recommend this product for you and your house. See you.